Yes, so what does this mean here? What I can understand here is that whale is being trying to be caught, or the whale has been caught, and that whale is screaming, crying. The poet is saying, I know after you die how we are going to use you. Lipstick is made out of you. Polish for your our shoes are made. The tumbling mountain, you are a mountain in the sea, you are tumbling in the sea. Whale, I heard you crying. I heard you calling. Whales also call, they have the sound. There are words in the first verse which shows that the whale is huge. In this line where it says, heaving mountain in the sea. In the first verse, it shows that the whale is huge. Heaving mountain in the sea. He is giving an expression, right? That he is talking to the whale. By the impression, whale, I heard you. The poet actually makes us feel that he is talking to the whale. Crying for your kind. What is the whale doing? What is the whale wanting to do? The whale is crying for all the whales that are dead, and also for the whales that are still alive in the sea and are going to be killed. Lipstick for our painted faces, polish for our shoes. What does this mean? What is it telling us? I gave you what I thought. Let's see what the book actually wants to say. What is the poet wanting to tell us? The poet is telling us, as far as it's concerned to me, that we human beings, to add beauty, luxury to our life, we are killing animals, mammals, including the whales. I am talking on a general basis, but here we have a pinpoint is the whales. Lipstick for our painted faces, polish for our shoes. What is the poet telling us? I am repeating what I said. The poet is trying to explain or trying to exaggerate on that point that we human beings, in order to, for our happiness, to take care of our beautiful, means not beautiful, to make ourselves beautiful and add luxury to our life, we are killing whales for our own purpose. We are affecting someone's life, we are taking someone's life. God has given a face to me, right? God has given a face to you. Why can't I be proud of it? Why do I have to make up? Why do I want to hide my face? I am beautiful, I am good, I am gorgeous, I love my color. You have seen me, I tell you in the class also, I love my color. What God has given me, I am proud of it. I am dark, I am black. Good. Good guys are always black. I am not good. How can I call myself good? People are going to say if I am good or bad. So we must respect what I have. People's hair become white, they go and color it. Why? What is that? That is the time changing. What will people say? You are not changing. Your hair color is changing. You are changing. Can Ronan change? No. My friends tell me, you will never change. Because I don't talk on the mobile. I am not always on WhatsApp. They get really pathetic sometimes. They start abusing me. They start shouting on the phone. What this is happening here? You don't reply to us. I said, you know me. It's either you take me or you leave me. So I am like that. I am what I am. I respect myself. I love myself. That is it. I will not any favor to myself risking someone's life or taking someone's life. Right? There's a flood in Assam, if you have heard. I try to explain you from a lot of angles. There's a flood in Assam. Pandemic is going on. The rhinoceros, the prince, the king, the queen of Assam, rhinoceros. Other animals, the bison, the whatever, or I'm forgetting the names of those animals there. So many animals, they are being affected. Who's going to save them? They are coming into the cities. They are coming out of the jungle, going into the villages to take help, to go and shelter. They'll drown, they'll die. There's one girl and she has got a NGO group in which they are trying to help the animals. Can you imagine? There are still people in this world who care for animals. And there are people in the world who are every day killing animals. Why? Yes, we need to eat meat, we need to eat chicken. Yes, it's okay. That is husbandry because they are grown, they are used. That's a type of a poultry or animal husbandry is there. But what about the wildlife? You cannot go and say today, Dad, Daddy, Mommy, I want to eat today tiger chili. What? I want to eat tiger chili today. Okay, fine. Go to the jungle, bring one tiger. Is it possible? Or you go to the market and say, I want tiger meat today. 500 grams, give me half kilo. My daughter or son has wanted to eat today. He is very bored. She's going for a taekwondo championship tomorrow. She wants to eat some tiger meat. Not possible. So wildlife is different and husbandry life is different. So yes, but we cannot kill. We cut down plants, we cut down trees. I had also told you that earlier. We shouldn't. Yes, what is necessary for cutting one tree and bringing it up, when you see lumbering, so many things, if you go to a jungle or you go to a place where lumbering goes on, about where plywood is made, wood factories are there, they'll plant 10 trees to cut one tree. So that by the time this wood is used, that another plant is ready. That's how the thing goes. If we finish off everything, there won't be anything. How will it come back? So this is what the poet is trying to say. That we human beings, in order to add beauty and luxury to our life, we are killing the whales. Then in the poem, I'll just read the poem first, okay? Heaving mountain in the sea, whale, I heard you grieving. Great whale, crying for your life, crying for your kind. I knew how we would use your dying. Lipstick for our painted faces, polish for our shoes. Tumbling mountain in the sea, whale, I heard you calling. Bird high notes, keening, soaring. At the edge, a tiny drum like a heartbeat. We would make you dumb. In the forest of the sea, whale, I heard you singing. Singing to your kind, we will never let you be. Instead of life we choose. Lipstick for our painted faces, polish for our shoes. Wonderful. It's a wonderful poem. The meaning of we could make you dumb, isn't it? As it says here. Bird high notes, keening, soaring at their edge, a tiny drum like a heartbeat. We would make you dumb. This means that man would kill all the whales, making it extinct, make you dumb. Quiet, there'll be nothing else. We will never let you be. It says here, in the last stanza, we will never let you be. We will make you dumb, we will never let you be. You have to have that comparison in this structure. of the paragraphs or the stanzas. We could make you slash dumb. This means that man would kill all the whales, making it extinct. Same thing it says here again, we will never let you be. This part tries to explain, the poet is trying to explain that man will never let the whales live peacefully. They will continue killing them for their selfish needs until all whales are extinct. Again for my lipstick and polish. One person is going to go, a team is going to take a boat, go kill a whale and bring it back. Okay, they keep something of the whale, then they sell it off. The money goes to another businessman. These guys get their money, they're happy, their family is okay. They don't get the lipstick. Now that fish again, that huge whale goes out into the market. It is cut, pieced, section of the fat, they have got fat under. This fat is used, which is in their belly, huge type of fat, flubby fat is there, which is used for lipstick. And skin is used or something, or the fats are used, oil is used to make this polish. So whale is used in many ways. People eat whale meat. So it is like that. Okay? I'll come back in the next video. Today I want to explain this to you.